As you can see, we out here at Texas Whipfest 2023, man. I got the infamous T-Rex behind me. LS Chevy Rider 254 out here. Texas Whipfest 2023, baby. Let's get it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Appreciate it, man. Huh? You said what? No, I'm in Killeen.
You didn't tell me to start mine. Mine sound better than his.
Well, he didn't start. He just popped the hood or popped the trunk on me. I heard when I was recording his, yours came up. Huh? Yeah.
Popping on there?
Yeah. That's my YouTube channel.
Right.
So I come out here every year and film, and then I had the videos up like later this week.
Go and rep my business for me on your YouTube.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Oh no, you good.
Rep my business on YouTube.
You gonna talk about it?
Huh?
I don't know about.
I'm shy.
Oh. She said I'm shy.
This my shit right here.
Okay.
That's yeah, that's gonna be the new thing. Next summer, we all gonna be wearing this shit.
Sir, yes, sir.
You see the whip? That Fine Touch Auto over there. That's my Instagram.
That's the Instagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna make sure I follow you on that.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna follow you back.
So you can do it. I'm shy. So camera. It's called Priceless Dreams. It's out of Dallas, and we do party rentals. Everything.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Tables, chairs, everything.
Yeah, we went around there, Cal. We went around there, everybody started pulling their phones out. I know. That damn.
That's Priceless Rentals.
Priceless Dreams.
Priceless Dreams.
Event rentals.
Event rentals. Priceless Dreams. Event rentals.
Yeah, we on Facebook, Google, social media, everything.
Okay. See, you did good. You ain't even know it. See how I tricked you into it? Here you go. Now you can see how good you did. Oh, it's for sale?
Get me on my Instagram.
So the Instagram, if they want it for sale, is Fine Touch Auto. No tire kickers. You have your money right.
Okay, now look, we gotta interrupt you from the class. We gotta get the class.
That's the beauty of editing. I can make it how I want it. I can make it to where this conversation happened before I even seen that car or that car.
Get the matrix.
Right. You gonna come tell me about the classic? Special touch.
So everything under the hood has been redone, hand painted, everything.
Except the motor.
How long have you had it? Or is both of y'all?
He also got a 72 Cadillac.
Okay. So y'all just bought the one
he did
today?
From scratch, but he just bought this one.
Okay, so it's a new project.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like it when he bring home a new project?
Hey. I'd rather for him to do that than cheat. So, hey.
My wife said the same thing. That's why I got like 4 of them.
Yep. He got a monster truck. He got 2 other cars. Hey, do you?
Right.
You ain't cheating and you taking care of home.
Yeah. Y'all take notes if y'all watch this video.
And
Don't
I'm
handle them. Crystal.
Priceless Dreams, events and rentals in Dallas. We serve all over DFW. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Google, everything.